Military document.
Can a military document become a law?
It's a decision. Wetland.
No.
Your letter differs from what our demand was. That is what our concern is. If you can really, if I can suggest, state in this letter, float another letter, very clearly stating that you are going to do the examination of the entire wetland plus the zone of influence. That itself will resolve our
I'm
issue.
telling you, no.
You stating it,
See,
sir,
you're
and you writing it is a different story, you know.
To that.
I am agreeing with you.
Then-
What you're stating is not getting reflected in your letter, sir.
We will give a
Give me a correction, sir.
Yeah,
You can give me a correction.
we will do the survey,
No,
ma'am.
sir.
No,
No,
we
no,
are not
That's
allowed
the
to.
correction.
सर किती आहे पळय हे तयार लेक रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 40 वनूच ना हायेस्ट पण तयार लेकाचो आहा तो तलावली 116 मीटर्स खबर आहा एस्मल्ट आहा 100 मीटर्स मरा ये
Officially, you give it to us.
given and then I'll conduct.
So we have given you this letter. We have sent this letter.
आप दिला काय दिला
This letter.
बापर आणि तुम्ही ताणी जे पळय लेटर आसा न्हू
So many times.
Yes. We are not.
मागीर तुम्ही तेजी एनओसी म्हणून कशी कन्सिडर करता तेका बावड्याक त्रासान कसो घालता तुम्ही
No problem. No problem. If you
Sir,
can.
The letter will
पळय एकूच तुका सांगता
Madam, listen. When Honorable CM, none of the government department insisted. Number one is our land.
Yes.
Government land we can survey. I can't run survey the private.
Yes.
With all the thing, and never report what was like entire all the country map on the plan. What is coming inside, what is going outside, everything will be clear on the record. There are no other mapping document. That we will do. Okay. And second, so he was there. And the report. Report.
Yes.
That lady was supposed to come. Lady urgent was to report the report. Or discussion of the report.
Correct.
These two are the major points.
Our
So
difficulty.
that only we are doing.
Yes. See, our difficulty, sir, at this point of time, we have received a letter from your government that says the Honorable Chief Minister in his meeting with Chimbel villagers held on 12 has directed to conduct a joint site inspection of the land in survey number 40/1 to examine the zone of influence and drainage lines of Toyar Lake. That is not what is stated in your letter. Your letter differs from what our demand was. That is what our concern is. If you can really, if I can suggest, state in this letter, float another letter, very clearly stating that you are going to do the examination of the entire wetland plus the zone of influence. That itself will resolve our
I'm
issue.
telling you, no.
You stating it,
Ma'am,
you stating it,
see,
sir,
you're
and you writing it is a different story, you know.
Writing letters.
Right.
It was a very clear discussion.
We have all-
Right. I was the spectator. I was here.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
So decided that your contention was that and now area is what has been declared.
Yes.
And that has not been marked.
Yes.
Correct? Is it
Yes,
true?
yes.
Then we said that our land is far away. This discussion.
Exactly.
What CM said. We demarcate the entire land.
Correct. Yes.
Whatever is declared by the NI.
Absolutely.
Right? That will be done.
So,
Okay?
that
Wait.
is not
Then
being
wait.
reflected in that letter.
No, just I'm telling you, no. I'm the in charge. I'm the in charge. Listen to me. Secondly, the zone of influence, we and the entire area will demarcate, and we'll also demarcate the 40/1, which we are the owner, means government is the
No
owner.
problem.
That happens.
Yes.
That how much it comes here. That is.
Right.
Apart from that, what other survey numbers are covered? So that means NI also will be marked. Plus this will be marked. Only my duty is to limit it to that.
I am agreeing with you.
Then-
What you're stating is not getting reflected in your letter, sir.
We'll give a
Give me a correction, sir. You can give me a correction.
we will do the survey, ma'am.
sir.
No,
ना
we
ना
are not allowed to.
सर किती आहे पळय हे तयार लेक रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 40 वनूच ना हायेस्ट पण तयार लेकाचो आहा तो तलावली 116 मीटर्स खबर आहा एस्मल्ट आहा 100 मीटर्स मरा ये 96 मीटर्स आणि गो इलेक्ट्रिक डेटा कॉम्प्लेक्स आता 92 मीटर्स तुम्ही आपल्या लेटर किती म्हणता याच करतलं म्हणता कोणचे 40/1
40/1 अनाथ था साहेब ते
म्हणजे हे ना हे तलावली 116 एचएस सर असा 42 असा सगळे असा कसे ना ना तो
Sir, I believe you are
One-
wetland, sir.
आडा नोटिफिकेशन आडा
Wetland
Sir, Sarnukadam.
भेटलेला तू सोड आम्ही मेमोरंडम आम्ही फुल रिवाइज मागला आम्ही तलावली माता सर ते मग ते असं ते सोडून
आता स्टार्ट करता
ना 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 हायेस्ट पण टॉप
We can start, sir, when the scope is not
टू कलर तुम्ही बसले करू
Scope is
शकता
not
ना
clear. No. The scope of work is not clear. Look at this. This is the village. This is the survey number.
the drawing art.
Under which law? Sir, which law?
2017 wetland
Where? Can you show me in the rules that it is divided into urban and pristine?
it's a decision of the wetland authority.
So where is there a document?
Military document.
Can a military document become a law?
It's a decision.
ना
No, no.
डिसिजन असं ते तुम्ही
Sir, with due
ना
respect,
सर
with due respect,
ते नका सर आमकां सर 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 ते नका सर आमकां तो नासलो मिटिंगेक
to amend the rule.
तो मिटिंगेक नासलो तुमी आसली मिटिंगेक तुमकां कितें सांगलें आमी सर फूल आख्खे रिवायज जाय आमकां आमची डिमांडची मेमोरंडम आमची फर्स्ट डिमांडूच कितें आहा सांगून वाचून लागलें आमच्या कडेन वाचून लागलें बाकी आमची फर्स्ट डिमांड in light of the conflict report and action regularity to conduct fresh and comprehensive scientific fair like
Sir has agreed.
agree हे केला होता not only 40 bar 40 bar 1 restrict करून
the
शकना
letter. I'll correct it and give.
there is
Not
no
an issue. Listen to me. Please listen. This is the 40 bar 1 sir. Portion of the wetland comes. Portion of the wetland comes. Portion of the wetland comes here also as per the NIO report. All these things we are going to map.
Sir, this NIO report that you have, there are two conflicting NIO reports. That's the reason that we have written this.
Listen to me. Until unless we other demarcation is final decision. Listen to me. The regime is for CM. Until unless we demarcate, he will not be able to get it.
Exactly.
So that's why I've been saying to please demarcate. Come back. He'll again qualify the meeting. That time we discuss what
We are in support of you of demarcation.
Then allow me to do it
However,
now.
we are saying
40 bar
to
one.
take a fresh, what we are asking for, fresh inspection of the entire wetland, whatever survey numbers are coming within that, and the zone of influence.
I'll write an engineer letter.
सर सर म्हाका एकूच सांग
No, he's agreeing to you.
let him give official.
He's agreeing. Officially, you give it to
Officially,
us.
give us and then I'll conduct.
So we have given you this letter. We have sent this letter.
लेटर विथ ना ना आम्ही लेटर दिला ते तुमका पाहुणा
In that letter only I write and give no.
तशें कशें आपलें ना ना तशें ना
You want to give a fresh letter?
आणि
If you can issue a fresh letter, sir, this is your letter. Just so inadequate.
तू फक्त युनिटी मोलाचें करता
I'll
म्हणटा
clarify and give this. In addition to this, I'll give.
Please, if you
Yeah,
can issue a
I'll
letter, then
Let us
we
start.
can-
स्टार्ट कशें जातलें सर
We cannot call a hydrologist and we cannot call our experts based on your inadequate letter, sir.
कशें जातलें
It is not reflecting our demand at all.
आणि कसं सर
Developer, see, we are trying to solve.
तुम्ही इतकी घाई करू नका
नाही, नाही, घाई प्रश्न
नाही नाही तुम्ही सगळी इतकी घाई करू नको कळलं नाही वाट लागला पळय घाईनी वाट कशी लागली नाही सर सर
Clarification like okay,
Yes.
next one.
That is all. That is all. Once you give us that letter, we will call our experts, call everybody, and we will
त्याका
conduct.
बावड्या तुम्ही त्रासात घातलो
No problem.
त्यांका बावड्या त्रासात कशा घातले तुम्ही सांगूया त्यांनी म्हटलंय आम्ही जेव्हा त्यांना कळयलें हांगासर सर कितें म्हणून की अशें अशें हांगासर चल्लां म्हणून तेंच्यांनी म्हाका कितें म्हटलें की आपूण हेच्या भायर हें करूं ना खंयच्या हितून आपले बफर झोनाच्या हितून बफर झोनाच्या हितून नाही सर सर लेट मी क्लियर ओके सरान कितें म्हटलें म्हाका बफर आणि तुम्ही ताणी जे पळय लेटर आसा न्हू
So many times.
Yes. We will not.
मागीर तुम्ही तेजी एनओसी म्हणून कशी कन्सिडर करता तेका बावड्या त्रासात कसो घालता तुम्ही
No problem. No problem. If you
Sir,
can just issue
तुमका
a
खबर आसा?
letter,
I'll
give
give.
this
तुमका खबर
direction.
आसा
I will give this
हां
copy.
सगळ्याक तुमका कोट करता ते
Just highlighting exactly this. This is what we asked for. Fresh inspection of the entire wetland as well as the zone of
तेच तुका सांगलें ना सर हे वेटलँड हायस्ट पॉयंट आसा सर हायस्ट पॉयंट 800 मीटर तो रावली सातान आसा
I'll give letter now. Today
You
I'll
give the letter, sir. No problem.
give.
You give, sir.
I'll give it today. No, I'll ask them to draft and give it
Yes,
to you. It's not
sir.
an issue.
You can just send them this portion.
You are not interested in getting it done?
No, we
Or
are.
you
We are
interested?
interested.
We are
That
interested.
is
Then you get it
that
done.
is one of our demands.
You give us the letter.
Sir,
एकूच तुका सांगलें
Madam, listen. When audible CM, none of the government department insisted for pushing the plan. We are hearing
Yes, sir.
he said with all the responsibility that I get it done.
Yes, sir.
And thereafter, after having a meeting with him, he'll take it.
Absolutely.
Is it right or
Yes, sir. Yes,
So let the work proceed. Now that you want for the purpose
We
of
first
but
want
it
that letter, sir.
will not be done in one day. It will take 2-3 days. Survey.
That's not a problem. I'm just seeking a letter at
I
this
will
point
give
of
it today
time
itself.
so
I
that
will
the
start
scope
it.
of work, sir.
I'll start it exactly same way. I'll write and give it on the media over here.
Yes, please give us that letter because of the fact that NIO is there. There
Okay,
are
your
other authorities
consultant
are
has
there.
come.
Sorry,
Your consultant.
we will bring them the moment you give us a letter. The scope itself is
सर
not.
तुम्ही आता कितें
accurate,
करता
sir.
फक्त युनिटी मोलाचें हे
ना रे
करता
बाबा, तू confused
ना
नको.
कॉन्फ्युज हांव कन्फ्युज ना आमी
हां,
कितें
आणि
हांव
clear
कन्फ्युज
कर.
सर
ऐक,
माझ्या ऐकूत
ऐक.
हायस्ट पॉयंट आमचा न्हू तयार लेखाचो 106 मीटर आहा तो
ठीक
ते तलावलू थंय सातान रोड एस्मेल्ट आसा मागीर इलेक्ट्रीक डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते सोडून तुम्ही हांगा करता टू अकोमोडेट युनिटी मॉल अशें आमकां दिसता हे आमचो डिमांड नासलो
Clarify कर.
Sir, I
This is
think,
as per the discussion of the
yes, sir. We are in
To
both
mark
in
the
agreement.
आम्ही रेडी आहा म्हटलं
Sir,
न्हू
we are both in agreement with the same.
You want a
thing.
letter? I'll
We
give.
simply want a letter
I'll give you now.
showcasing what we
Are
have
you doing the
discussed.
survey today or not?
Sir, we have to have the letter and then only we can go ahead.
If I
Without
give
a
it now, are you going to allow us now?
Yes.
Are you going to?
Yes, I will. We'll call our experts. Just give us a letter reflecting all of this. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
I'll get to go in the lane. I'll send you.
This was done by the experts. And this was
And if you're saying that we are ready to help you to fight that situation. No, let's not get the fresh notification. No, that's exactly what I was. Fresh survey and notification. That's what we have sought. Yes, then re-notification. Certainly, certainly.
They are not
It's not difficult.
They are not hurry. They are in hurry.
You take your
We want you to take your own sweet and make sure that it's accurate this time. That's all.
They are not in hurry. They are in hurry.
एक्सक्यूज मी मॅम एक्झॅक्ट कितें सद्या कित्या खातीर होल्ड उरलो
तांणी आमकां दे हॅव गिवन अस अ लेटर सेइंग दॅट दे विल ओनली डिमार्केट 40/1 सर्वे नंबर and the zone of influence. Our difficulty is we had discussed it with this honorable CM very clearly, asking for fresh inspection and demarcation of the entire wetland, that is Lake Amso, any zone of influence, which the honorable CM has agreed. This discussion, there seemed to be some sort of a confusion because the letter from the Department of Tourism came in very clearly saying that only survey number 40. So it did not showcase the entire scope of work that needs to be done because the NIO is also there, other authorities, wetland authority is also there. So there will be some sort of confusion. So that's what we have asked them is to clearly state it in the letter. What is the scope of demarcation that needs to be done in survey?
एज पर तेम बाकीचो प्रायवेट लँडान ते सर्वे करपाक शकना म्हणून तांच्यांनी हे सांगला सो जे गव्हर्मेंट लँड आहा तेजेच करूंक
ते
शकता
सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट लँड प्रायव्हेट लँड
कन्फ्युजन किती झालं आता?
लँड म्हणजे पब्लिक लँड
मॅडम सप्लाय बद्दल ते
फुल फ्रेश आणि मागीर री नोटिफिकेशन
झोन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएन्स
मॅडम डिले जावपाक कारण कितें जाता
लेटर आयज
करतात ते आता
आता करतात